Hello everyone, welcome to Kids English online classes. So today we are going to study. First, this class is for 6th standard, and first of all I will give you the revision, basic introduction, how to see the lecture. According to that you have to just follow us. First introduction, you have already seen, you know how to see the lectures, what you have to do, how place you have to maintain. Make sure that you copy, you're having your notebook and pen and pencil with you. The three essential thing which you are going to have, that is your notebook. Most important thing is your notebook, your pen and pencil. Okay, these three things should be with you while you are watching the lecture, and your study material which is provided by school. Okay, so first I will start the lecture by basic revision of English. Okay, this first lecture is of English. First, let's start with the basic revision. Let's first read the passage which is given to you all. Okay, so my dear students, hope you understand each and everything. I'm going to explain you in Hindi and English, both the languages. Don't worry about it that I'm continuously speaking English. You know English very well. We already you are familiar with this language. We used to speak in school. So just stay with us. Just focus on the pointer. This is the pointer. This red mark. You have to focus on that. आपको ये red mark पर या red line पर focus करना है while you are watching the lecture. First, let's start our chapter revision, that is read the passage and answer the questions. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to read the passage. Okay, I will zoom it so that you can read the passage very well. You can understand each and every word. So let's start. First word is where. W-H-E-R-E, where. Where the voice of the wind calls our wandering feet through echoing forest and echoing street. With lutes in our hands, ever singing we roam. All men are our kindred, the world is our home. Our lays are of cities whose lustre is shed, the lotus and beauty of women long dead. The swords, the laughters and beauty of women's long dead. The sword of old battle, the crown of old king, and happy and simple and wonderful thing. What hope shall we gather? What dream shall we sow? Where the wind calls, our wandering footstep we go. No love bids us tarry, no joy bids us wait. The voice of the wind is the voice of our fate. So this is written by Sarojini Naidu. So first you have to read the passage again and again. आपको ये passage बार बार read करना है ताकि आप जो fill in the blanks, जो भी questions नीचे दिए गए आप उसको easily solve कर सकते. Okay. So first, what do you mean by wandering feet? Wandering feet means moving continuously from here to there, from here to there. Wandering feet means जो feet हमेशा चलते रहते, मूव करते रहते फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू दी अनदर. किंडर्स मीन्स रिलेटिव्स, मतलब हमारे रिलेटिव्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं, किंडर्स. ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स आर रिलेटिव्स, दे आर नोन एज ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स. हम सारे ह्यूमन बींग्स को हमारा क्या मानते हैं, वी कॉल देम आवर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स. सो हियर वी विल जस्ट गो थ्रू दी आंसर्स. थ्रू डैश फॉरेस्ट एंड इकोइंग स्ट्रीट्स. ओके, through dash forest and echoing street. So where is it is through echoing forest and echoing street. So your answer will be echoing. Meaning of kindred is, I just told you now, the meaning of kindred is relatives. What is the meaning of kindred? Relatives. 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 Okay. Next is lays means lays. Okay. Our lays are of cities whose luster is shed. Lays, what do you just find the answer of the lays, and it means I will write the answer. Song. 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 What shall we gather? What shall we gather? It is in which line? What hope shall we gather? What dream shall we sow? So, what shall we gather? We shall gather where the wind calls, our wandering footsteps we go. So, we shall gather dreams, sorrow, happy, and we shall gather dreams. And what shall we gather? We shall gather dreams. हम क्या gather करना चाहिए हमने? Dreams. The author of passage, who wrote this passage? Author means who wrote this passage? Sarojini Naidu. It is here. It is given here. Okay. So you will read this passage again and again. आप ये passage बार-बार पढ़ेंगे and then you will write the answer of this passage by your own, because everything is given in the passage. आप ये passage read करेंगे and answers आप खुद से find करेंगे. Okay, it's very simple. Where the voice of the wind calls our wandering feet through echoing forest and echoing street, with lutes in our hands ever singing we roam. All men's are kindred, the world is our home. Our lays are of cities whose lustre is shed, the laughter and beauties of women long dead, the swords of old battles, the crown of old king, and happy and simple and sorrowful things. What hope shall we gather? What dream shall we sow? Where the wind calls, our wandering footstep we go. No love bids us tarry, no joy bids us wait. The voice of the wind is the voice of our fate. So this passage you have to read again and again and solve the blanks. Okay. Next, we will go to the next part, that is your basic grammar part. First is your noun. You just have to focus on my pointer. You can see it. It is red in color. So the first is noun and the second is pronoun. You know what is noun. Noun, it is defined as name of a person, place, animal or thing. हम noun किसको बोलते हैं? Noun means name of a person. Suppose your name is Ayan, Ayyan. Ayan is the name of a person. Name of a place. Suppose the name of a place is Agra. 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 Agra is the name of a place. Aeroplane. EAROPLANE. Aeroplane is the name of a thing. And next is name of an animal, ZEBRA. Zebra. Zebra is the name of a animal. So noun is defined as name of person, place, animal and thing. So first I have given you some examples. यहाँ पे आपके लिए कुछ examples दिए. Ram is a boy. What is a noun? Ram. Very good. Sheetal is a lovely girl. So noun, Sheetal. I and my grandpa went to the park. Where they went, the name of the place is park. It's a bright summer morning. Summer is the name of a season. Okay, so summer will be a noun. Mr. Toad was found on sitting on the driver's seat. So the answer is Mr. Toad. Next is you have to write more 5 examples of noun by your own. आपको और 5 examples लिखने noun के, but you have to make the sentence by your own. आपको खुद से sentences बनाना. Okay. Pronoun. It is defined as replacement of noun. What do you mean by pronoun? Pronoun means it is defined as replacement of noun. What do you mean by replacement? Replacement means exchange, जगह लेना किसी की. Okay. Suppose here there is 1 to 12. Okay. This 1 and this 2. Next is 1, 3, 30. So 2 has taken the place of 3. Okay. 3 has taken the place of 2. So it is known as replacement. Okay. किसी और की जगह लेने के लिए हम जब हम किसी और की जगह लेते हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं replacement. Suppose for example, it takes a lot of time to listen to music. So what will be the pronoun? It. अगर हम it के जगह क्या लिख सकते थे? We can write the name, or we can write Ram takes a long time. Ram listens to music for long period of time. हम ऐसे sentence बना, or even we can make a sentence like Ram eats a lot. We can write a name. We can write our name of a place, name of an animal, name of a thing. अगर हम किसी चीज का name लिखते हैं, then we will call it as noun. हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Noun. But here name है क्या? यहाँ पे कहीं name mention है क्या? No. It is just mentioned it takes. So what takes, we don't know. क्या time? It takes a lot of time to listen a song. We know the name of the song? No, we don't know. Which song takes long time, which song takes short time, we don't know. Just they have mentioned it. So it means it is a pronoun. It क्या हुआ आपका? Pronoun. She came with her uncle and aunt. So here the pronoun is she. Okay. She came with her uncle and aunt. She, who she? We don't know where it is Sheetal, or it is she means she is used for girls. हम she किसके लिए use करते हैं? She is used for girl or a woman. Okay. So we don't know who came with her aunt and uncle and aunt. We don't know the name of a girl. So it is known as pronoun. We all love blue color. Okay. The next pronoun is we. Okay, we all love blue color. So we don't know who loves blue color. Okay. How many children love blue color? 3 children love, 4 children love, or 10 children love. We don't know the name of the children, or we don't know the name of a person. We don't know the name of a pupil who love blue color. हमको पता है कि कितने लोग हैं, कितने girls पसंद करते blue color, कितने boys पसंद करते. कोई name mention है क्या? No. So it is known as pronoun. They woke up in the evening. So they woke up. Who woke up? We don't know. So they woke up in the evening. So they is a pronoun. Just underline the pronouns with the help of black pencil. Okay. I'm going to just underline the pronouns it, sh, she, ve, thy, they. And the noun is Ram, Sheetal, Park, Summer, Mr. Toad. Okay. So now next we will go to the our chapter, that is Mr. Toad's Adventure. Okay. So Mr. Toad's adventure lands him in a disaster. So the adventure of Mr. Toad land him in a disaster. उनके adventure ने उनको कहाँ पहुँचा दिया? Disaster. What do you mean by adventure? Adventure का मतलब क्या है? Mr. Toad is a name of a person. Okay, it is a name of a, ये किसका name है? एक person का name है. Okay, it is a name of a person. And what do you mean by adventure? Adventure means doing something different, like trekking. Okay, trekking or climbing mountain or skydiving. You know what is skydiving? So it is known as adventure which gives you pleasure, which okay, जिसके वजह से हमको बहुत खुशी मिलती है. We enjoy it and we love to do different things, climbing the mountain, trekking, skydiving, water diving, or riding the bicycle for the first time. हमको जो चीज़ नहीं आती हम वो first time try करते हैं. It is also known as the adventure. So tell us, first we will just see here connect. Okay, tell us about a time when you did something without thinking too much about it. What was the consequences? So what the chapter is telling us कि आप ये बताइए सबसे पहले कि अगर आपने कुछ चीज की है, मीन्स इफ you have done something and without thinking, if suppose you are 10 years old, okay, suppose if you are 10 years old and you are riding a vehicle means like you're riding a bike, okay, if you are riding a bike without thinking the consequences, you don't know what is the result, आपको नहीं पता कि result क्या होगा, और आपने just you pick up the key, आपने key लिया and you go out, you start the bike and you went away. So think about it, what will be the consequences, आप कहाँ land होंगे, what will happen to you, whether you will come back home safely or you will fall down, or whatever may be the consequences, you have to think and write in your notebook. Pause the video, first think about it कि क्या consequences हो सकते थे, like suppose I will write here, for example, आपके समझने के लिए मैं एक small example है, suppose if how you have to, if I ride a vehicle for the first time, if I ride a bicycle for the first time, what should I do? First, go with the parent. Yes, हम सबसे पहले किसके साथ जाना पसंद करेंगे? Parents, or with any elder sister, elder brother, whosoever you like, with your elders. Okay, in this way, if you go without thinking, I went without thinking, मतलब मैं वहाँ मैंने बाइक without कुछ सोचे समझे लेकर चला गया, I went without thinking, what will happen? I will fall down. Suppose I will fall, मैं क्या हो जाऊंगा? गिर जाऊंगा. I will fall down because I don't know how to handle the bike, I don't know how to move it, so I will fall down. And another consequence, अगर आपको कुछ और लगता है, अगर आपको ये लगता है कि आप अच्छे से चला सकते हैं बाइक, so you can write as per your wish. Okay, next is your reflect. What are the various cars you have heard of? List them and then arrange them from most to least expensive. Okay, आपको जो आपने बहुत सारे cars के बारे में सुने होंगे, right? You have listened many types of cars. Suppose some type of cars like Ferrari. Okay, next is name. These are the names of the car you have listened about. Okay, Swift, then Verna, okay, then etc. Maybe whatever the so you have to write at least name of 10 cars. Okay, आपको कितने cars की name लिखना है? 10 cars, और आपको उसमें से देखना है कि कौन ज़्यादा expensive है और कौन कम expensive, कौन कितनी मतलब what is the price of Ferrari, what is the price of Swift, what is the price of Verna. You have to list it out. Then imagine you have a misadventure, a time when something that should have been fun turned out to be quite a disaster. Share the incident with the class. Okay, so now what you cannot share the incident with the class. Okay, it's okay, don't worry. Then what you will do, you will write the incident in your book. आप क्या लिखेंगे, यहाँ क्या लिखना है आपको? अगर सपोज आपने कुछ एडवेंचर प्लान की एंड वो एडवेंचर आपका डिजास्टर में बदल गया, लाइक वो एडवेंचर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान पहुंचाया, या फिर इट हर्ट्स यू वेरी बैड, और यू गॉट समथिंग बैड एक्सपीरियंस, आपको कुछ बैड एक्सपीरियंस मिला वो एडवेंचर से, तो आपको उस एडवेंचर के बारे में मेंशन करना है. बिफोर यू रीड दिस चैप्टर, इस चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करने से पहले फर्स्ट वी हैव टू नो, हमें पता होना चाहिए हु रोट दिस चैप्टर. इट इज रिटन बाय केनेथ ग्राहम. ओके, so he is a Scottish writer. He wrote many different books and he has written this story, Mr. Toad's Adventure. Let's start the chapter. Okay, first you have to read the chapter. सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे? You will read the chapter. One bright summer morning, Mr. Toad was walking briskly along the high road. He strode along till he reached a little town. He was exceedingly hungry after his long walk, so he marched into an inn, ordered the best luncheon, and sat down to eat it in the coffee room. So now what happened, one bright morning, it was a very bright, beautiful morning. Mr. Toad was walking briskly. What do you mean by briskly? Briskly means actively. Okay, here I am writing the meaning of brisk. B-R-I-S-K. Just a second. Getting my pen. Okay, I will write here B-R-I-S-K-L-Y. Briskly means active walk, walking very fast. He was walking in a very cool and a fast manner. He strode. Strode means to stand still, like a hare. To stand still. Okay. S-T-I-L-L, still. Sorry. He was exceedingly hungry, means he was very hungry. He marched into an inn. Inn means, here it is given, restaurant. Okay, inn means restaurant. He was about halfway through his meal when a familiar sound approaching down the street made him start and fall a trembling all over. The pop, pop. So what happened when he was about, means जब उनका meal half हो गया था, and when his meal was half, he heard the voice. उनको है ना आवाज आई, pop pop means the voice of a car. कार के हॉर्न की आवाज आई. Drew nearer and nearer. जो उनके जहाँ वो बैठे थे रेस्टोरेंट में, वो उसके और करीब आ रहे. It was coming nearer and nearer. The car could be heard turning into the inn yard and coming to a stop. तो तब उनको what did he hear? उनको क्या लगा? That वो जो कार है वो रेस्टोरेंट के पार्किंग. इन यार्ड मीन्स पार्किंग ऑफ अ रेस्टोरेंट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इन यार्ड? I-double-N in Y-A-R-D, yard. In yard means parking area of restaurant. Okay, जहाँ हम कार्स पार्क कर सकते हैं, बाइक पार्क करते हैं, हम उसको पार्किंग एरिया बोलते हैं. So in yard means parking area of bike, and coming to stop. So in the parking area, the cars and bikes are stopped. The party entered the coffee room, hungry, talkative, and in all praise of the car that had brought them along so well. So what happened? The people, मतलब जो लोग कार में थे वो अपनी कार पार्क किए. Then they came inside the restaurant and they were talking about the car. That car was very beautiful. It's very good. It looks very pretty. And Mr. Toad was all ears. He listened eagerly to their conversation for a time. So what happened? Mr. Toad उनकी बातों को इतनी concentration से सुन रहे, इतने eager से सुन रहे थे, because Mr. Toad loved the voice of the car. Mr. Toad को कार की voice बहुत अच्छी लगी. So he was very eager to know about the car. But at last he could stand it no longer and slipped out of the room quietly. So what did Mr. Toad do? Mr. Toad ने क्या किया? वो खड़े हुए और वो रेस्टोरेंट से बाहर गए. And he was like, वो रुक उनका था, he was not able to wait. वो रुक ही नहीं पा रहे थे. He went out of the restaurant quietly. As soon as he got out, he strode round quickly to the inn yard. There cannot be any harm, he said to himself, in my only just looking at it. So what happened? Okay, we also have, हमारे साथ भी ऐसे होता है कि हमको जो चीज़ पसंद आई, if you like something or if you like a car, अगर हमको कार पसंद आई तो हम उसको क्या करते हैं, if we go near the car, we see the car, and we are happy by seeing the car. In the same way, Mr. Toad was also happy. He thought कि सिर्फ कार देखने में क्या नुकसान है, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगा कार देखने में. So he went out in a very quiet manner, and he was eager to see the car. Sort means to walk in relaxed manner. Okay. The car stood in the middle of the yard, quite unattended. Mr. Toad walked slowly round it, inspecting it. So what happened? Car एकदम middle में खड़ी थी yard के, and it was quite attended. Means no one was around the car. कार के आसपास कोई भी नहीं था. And Mr. Toad just was looking at the car. वो कार के नजदीक गए और वो कार को क्या करने लगे? देखने लगे. He was very happy to see the car. I wonder, he said to himself, I wonder if this sort of car start easily. What did he wonder? उन्होंने क्या सोचे कि काश ये कार easily आसानी से start हो सकती, मैं इसमें बैठ सकता और मैं इसको एक बार drive कर सकता. He was thinking like that. Next movement, Mr. Toad was found seated in the driver's seat, holding the handle of the car. Then what happened? What did Mr. Toad do? He opened the car and he sat on the driver's seat. उन्होंने कार ओपन की और वो ड्राइवर के सीट पे क्या हुए? बैठ गए. And he was handling the steering of the car. This is the type of steering in the cars. Yes, so he was handling the steering of the car. As the familiar sound of the car broke forth, the old passion seized on Mr. Toad and completely mastered him. He pulled the lever and swung the car round the yard and out through the archway. All senses of right and wrong seems temporarily suspended for Mr. Toad. So what happened? Mr. Toad ने क्या किया? जैसे ही वो ड्राइवर की सीट पे बैठे, he was not able to stop. मतलब उन्होंने अपने आप को स्टॉप किए क्या? No, he pulled the lever means उन्होंने कार का लीवर पुल करे. It is a type of point where the car gets started. जहाँ से कार स्टार्ट होती है उसको प्रेस किए. He take the car and he went away. He went on a long drive. वो ड्राइव पर चलेगा और उन्होंने उस टाइम he forgot to think anything. उन्होंने सोचे क्या कि किसी और की कार है. How should I take? At मैं उनको बता देता कि मैं आपकी कार एक बार ड्राइव तो करूँ, पूछ लेता, परमिशन लेता. No, he did not think anything and he just took the car and he went away. He sped so fast, not knowing where he was going. He was so far. He was driving the car so fast. वो इतनी कार फास्ट ड्रॉ कर रहे थे कि उनको पता ही नहीं चला कि वो कहाँ जा रहे. What he is doing, where he want to go. He was not thinking anything. He was just enjoying the drive of the car. He was only cautious that he was Mr. Toad once more. So उनको क्या लगा था कि he was very great person, he was having a great car and he was just a Mr. Toad once more. Mr. Toad at his best and highest, Mr. Toad, the terror, the traffic queller, the lord of the lone trail, before whom all must give way or be smitten, severely affected. Smitten means severely affected. So what he was thinking? He was thinking कि वो क्या हो गए थे, पूरे स्ट्रीट के किंग बन गए थे. And no one can stop her, no one can stop him, no one can tell anything. All the people should get aside when he is driving the car on the road. उनको क्या लग रहा था कि जब वो कार चला रहे तो सारे लोग अपने आप क्या हो जाएंगे, साइड में आ जाएंगे और कोई भी उनको रोक नहीं सकता. And he is the king of the street. वो स्ट्रीट के क्या है, किंग है. Into nothingness and everlasting night, he chanted as he flew, and the car responded with booming sound. He was living his hours, reckless of what might come to him. So what happened? what happened, he was not thinking, he was just making the speed, मतलब वो कार की स्पीड और तेज़ी से बढ़ाई, बिकॉज वो स्पीड क्यों बढ़ाए थे, बिकॉज ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी एन्जॉयबल, उनको बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था कार चलाने में, एंड द कार वॉज गोइंग सो स्मूथ दैट ही वॉज जस्ट फीलिंग दैट ही वॉज फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई, उनको क्या फील हो रहा था कि वो स्काई में फ्लाई करे, एंड ही वॉज नॉट थिंकिंग इफ वॉट विल हैपन नेक्स्ट. ही इंक्रीजेस हिज पेस even more when he heard the police siren. Then what happened, जब उन्होंने पुलिस का सायरन सुने, what he did, he increases the pace, he has made the speed more faster. He thought he might escape, but he was caught at the next turn of the road. So उनको क्या लगा कि वो पुलिस से भाग जाएंगे, escape हो जाएंगे, but what happened, he got caught. A chubby cop, the cop was very chubby with handlebar mustaches, approached him with a stern. Stern means with a serious look on his face. Here, stern means serious. So एक चब्बी सा, एकदम चब्बी सा cop means police officer, उनके पास आया with a handlebar means हथकड़ी, and he was very serious and demanded license. May I see your license, mister? So what he said, what did the policeman said? Just show me your license. License? Retorted Mr. Toad, huffing in the driver's seat. I was just testing how fast this marble could go. And excuse me, I don't need any license. So what did Mr. Toad say? Mr. Toad ने बहुत rudely और बहुत ऐसे egoistic आंसर दिया, मतलब एकदम प्राइडली कि हाँ मैं तो क्या लाइसेंस, व्हाट लाइसेंस, वाई यू आर आस्किंग फॉर, तुम लाइसेंस के बारे में क्यों पूछ रहे, मैं तो बस कार को टेस्ट कर रहा था, एंड टेस्ट करने के लिए लाइसेंस की थोड़ी ना जरूरत पड़ती है. नेक्स्ट मूवमेंट, मिस्टर टोड वॉज सीन स्टैंडिंग इन द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ. He was found guilty of stealing a car, driving dangerously, and cheating the police. So what happened? At the next moment, after that, what happened? Mr. Toad was standing on the court. Why he was standing in the court? उनको court क्यों लेके गया? Because he did not inform the owner of the car. उन्होंने कार के ओनर को इन्फॉर्म नहीं करे कि वो उनकी कार यूज कर रहे, लेकर जा रहे, बिना बताए उनकी कार लेकर चले गए. सो he has stolen the car. सबको ऐसा लगा he stole the car. Okay, उन्होंने कार की चोरी की, बिकॉज उन्होंने किसी को, he did not told anyone, पता ही नहीं. Then he was driving very harshly, very dangerously, बहुत गंदा ड्राइव कर रहे थे. And next thing he did the disrespect of the police, मतलब उन्होंने पुलिस से बहुत बदतमीजी की, डिसरिस्पेक्ट की, उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा बहस की. तो उन पे 3 लॉ, कोर्ट ने क्या किया, उनको लॉ मीन्स जेल में, मीन्स कोर्ट डिसाइडेड टू पुट हिम इन द जेल. Mr. Clerk, will you tell us what is the very stiffest penalty for such kind of offence? Asked the chairman. So the judge asked the clerk means advocate. Okay, vakil. Here clerk means advocate. Advocate means vakil, and chairman means, the chairman means, this is the chairman. It's known as judge. Chairman means judge. Okay. The clerk scratched his nose with his pen. Some people will consider he observed that stealing the motor car was the worst offence, and so it is. But driving dangerously and cheating the police undoubtedly carrying the severest penalty, and so they oath, supposing you were to stay 12 months for the theft, which is mild, and 4 years for the furious driving, which is lenient, and 15 years for the check, which was pretty bad sort of check. Those fingers, if added together correctly, taught up to 20 years. Add up to 20 years. So what happened? What did they decided? एडवोकेट ने क्या बताया कि अगर आपने सबसे पहले कार स्टोल करे, दैट इज़ द वर्स्ट थिंग. देन यू हैव डन, यू ड्राइव वेरी फास्ट, मतलब आपने इतना गंदा ड्राइव किया कार कि आप किसी को हार्म कर सकते थे, आप उसके बारे में भी अवेयर नहीं थे, आपको वो भी नहीं पता था कि आप किसी को हार्म कर देंगे। नेक्स्ट, आपने पुलिस से बहुत बदतमीजी की, इसीलिए आपको टोटल कितने ईयर्स की पनिशमेंट मिलती है? 12 ईयर्स। हाउ मेनी ईयर्स? 12 ईयर्स। Okay, so how many years of penalty he had? 12, 20 years. Okay, how many things? 3 things. First is for stealing the car. सबसे पहले first for stealing the car. Next for driving very hard, rash driving, and the third is for the misbehaving with the cop. Chick means misbehaving with the cop. So next, first just remove your pencils and underline the words. Okay, you can pause the video and write the meanings of the word which I have written with the pen. Okay. I am taking another color for the underlined words, so just focus on that color, that is blue. You can see this blue color, this dot. Yes, so आपको underline उसी words को करना है जो blue color से किए. Okay, so first you have to underline briskly, BRISKLY. Next you have to underline exceedingly, EXCEEDING, exceedingly. Then familiar, FAMILIAR, familiar. Then trembling, TREMBLING, trembling. Then next is your eagerly, 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 eagerly. Next, conversation, 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 conversation. Slipped, SLIPPED, slipped. Unattended, UNATTENDED, unattended. Next is inspecting, INSPECTING, inspecting. Next is temporarily, 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 temporarily. Smitten is already given. Conscious, 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 conscious. Next, chubby, CHUBBY, chubby. Cop means police officer. Okay, so the meaning of cop is POLICE, police. OFFICER, officer. Cop means police officer. Next is HANDLE, handle, BAR, handlebar. Approached, 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 approached. Offense, OFFENCE, offense, OFFENCE, offense. Okay, next is supposing, SUPPOSING, supposing. Furious, 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 furious. Next is your homework part. So in the homework, first read the chapter daily. You have to read the complete chapter daily. Write about your hobby. You have to write about your favorite hobby. You love to play games, you love to watch TV, you love to read the books, whatever you like, whatever is your favorite hobby, you have to write in your homework book 150 words. Learn and write noun and pronoun with examples. Okay, so here I have given you the definition of noun and pronoun. यहाँ पे आपको noun and pronoun की definition दी गई है. आपको noun and pronoun की definitions लिखनी है with examples and plus 5 examples for each. Total आपके कितने examples रहेंगे? 10 examples. Okay. Next is learn and write meanings given in the boxes 2 times. So the meanings are given in the boxes here. This box. Okay. You have to write meanings of this box also. You have to write meanings of this one, bristly, strewed, cop. Okay. Then learn and write underlined words. So whatever words we have underlined or we have made it as a box, you have to learn and write like we have made in this box, right? In this manner. So you have to learn and write this underlined words 2 times. Okay. We will continue the chapter in the next lecture. Till that, you have to read the lecture, read the chapter again and again. You have to see the chapter again. You have to do the homework. If you don't understood anything, just pause the lecture, go back to the video and play it again and again. So thank you. See you in the next lecture.